Here in this problem, I just drew the diagram using the given hypothesis. You can see that the given data A, B is 41, C, D is 13, everything. I just wrote whatever the given data is there. And now I'm going to I'm going to take the help of vector algebra in solving this problem. What I do is I choose a convenient coordinate system. I'll choose D as the origin. And once I take D as the origin, let me assume this is A bar, this is B bar, and this is C bar as the position vectors. And now you can see that I want distance between the midpoints of A, B and C, D. Obviously now the midpoint of AB will be A bar plus B bar by 2 and the midpoint of CD will be C bar by 2. Now I want distance between these 2 points. It's nothing but length of the vector. I want square of the distance. You see, that is what he asked for, square of the distance between the midpoints. So basically this is what we have to find. Now I want you to observe that I can simply write it as 1 by 4 times mod of A bar plus B bar minus C bar whole square. I expand that, so I'll have it as A bar square, or I can simply write A square, which is nothing but length of the vector A, or for fun I'll write mod A bar square mod B bar square plus mod C bar square. I'll have bars you can keep, and then plus 2 times A bar dot B bar minus 2 times A bar dot C bar minus 2 times B bar dot C bar will get. And now from the given data we have mod A bar is 18, mod B bar is 27, and mod C bar is 13, and mod of A bar minus B bar is 41 and B bar minus C bar is 36 and C bar minus A bar is 7. Mod of C bar minus A bar is equal to 7. So we have this data. So what we do is this A bar dot B bar to AB, we will complete the square there. So it will be 1 by 4 times mod A bar square plus mod B bar square plus mod C bar square. Let's write it as mod of A bar minus B bar whole square. So you can see that I'll make it minus because there I have plus 2 A bar dot B bar. Now you can see that if I expand this part, that will balance with 2 times A bar dot B bar, but I'll have extra A bar B bar added. So to balance that I have to subtract an A bar square and a B bar square I have to subtract. Similarly, for this part of minus 2 A bar dot C bar, I'll make it plus mod of C bar minus A bar whole square. Now when I expand this part, it will match with minus 2 A bar dot C bar, but extra I have added mod A bar square and mod C bar square. To balance, I am subtracting mod A bar square and mod C bar square. Similarly for the last one, it will be mod of B bar minus C bar whole square plus mod B bar square plus, I have already added, so I subtract them here. It's going to be mod B bar square minus mod C bar square. Okay, so I think here in this place I made a calculation mistake. It has to, because we are subtracting mod A bar square and mod B bar square, I need to add them to balance it. And now you know value of each mod over here. Everything is provided here. You simply substitute and simplify. You'll have 137 as the answer.